How to hide following list on Instagram. So if you want to hide following list on your Instagram, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, now you need to go with the profile which is on the bottom right. And now to hide your following list, you just need simply switch your account to a personal account. So if you have your professional dashboard and if you have a professional account, then what you need to do is just simply go with the top right, which has that 3 bar. And here you will have switch account type option. You just need simply go with switch account type or account types and tools. You just need simply go there and then switch to a personal account. In my case, I have a personal account. And once you switch your account to a personal account, you just need simply go with your account privacy. And under your account privacy, you need to switch your account to a private account. Go with switch to private, and that's it. Once you switch your account to personal or private, then your following list will be hidden. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.